It's Chase here with Snow Performance, and today we're taking a look at the water-methanol injection system specifically engineered for all forced induction, turbocharged or supercharged, 2016 and up 6th gen Chevrolet Camaros and the Chevrolet C7 Corvette with the 6.2 LT1 engines. When running the Stage 2.5 boost cooler, you can increase your pump gas octane up to 25 points, and you can also add more timing and/or boost to make more power efficiently with the cooler running engine. The Stage 2.5 uses a progressive VC50 controller that proportionally injects more or less water methanol according to boost pressure. The start and full points are fully adjustable for engagement and delivery curve to match what the engine requires. Proportionally injecting according to boost pressure gives an accurate delivery of water methanol and allows for cooling and performance improvements over a wide range for improved drivability. The VC50 controller offers the functionality of a boost gauge and a water methanol controller in one unit. This 7-color OLED screen will display boost, percentage of injection, low level, secondary nozzle activation, a prime button, and 2 fault codes displayed directly on the screen. You can tailor the controller to match your OEM gauges or mix and match up to 2 colors. The plate mounts right behind the throttle body and it holds up to 2 nozzles, and it is super easy to install and remove. You can also upgrade to the optional 2.5 gallon trunk tank upgrade if you would like to hold more water methanol. The benefits of the Stage 2.5 boost cooler are that it's made here in the USA. You'll get a cooler, more dense air charge. You can achieve up to 116 octane quality fuel from pump gas, safely run more boost and/or timing, cleans engine combustion of carbon buildup, which is a great feature for direct injected engines such as the LT1. It also has progressive water methanol injection, black anodized fittings, industry-leading 300 psi UHO pump for more pressure than the competition, boost gauge and adjustable progressive water methanol controller. For more information on the 2014 and up Chevrolet 6.2 liter water methanol system, part number SNO2161-BRD, please visit snowperformance.net or call 1-888-GO-FAST-1. And as always, thank you for using Snow Performance, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more weekly videos.